Good morning and happy Friday. So I wanted to go live and share with you guys what I ordered for myself for my birthday. My birthday is later this month and I'm turning 33. Hey, no shame. I don't care. A number's a number. So what did I order for myself? I literally have zero makeup on right now. Not a single ounce of makeup. I literally just woke up, and if you look closely, you will see that I have over the years acquired a lot of sunspots all over my face. Like, it's turning into one big sunspot. I'm in the sun all the time. I live on the beach. And therefore, I'm reaping the benefits of that, in a bad way. I usually always have sunscreen on, but sometimes you just are out in the sun without realizing it all day, especially living here in California. And I have sunspots everywhere. So what did I order for myself for my birthday, you guys? I ordered some freaking skincare. That is just what happens when you turn 33. You order yourself skincare. Skincare products. So I went ahead, took the plunge, and ordered the Rodan Reverse Lightening Skincare Regimen. I have seen and heard amazing things about this product. I did a ton of research, watched a ton of YouTube videos of documentaries just like this one, and I was super amazed by the results. So I was like, what the heck, I have to give it a try. This is the very first thing I've ever tried to help my sunspots go away. So yeah, I'm super excited about this new adventure, and I'm going to record everything because I need you guys to know whether or not this is going to work so that you can try it yourself if you have sunspots or marks on your face that are just stubborn and won't go away. This is just what happens when you age, when you get to be old lady like me. So anyway, I have zero makeup on right now. I'm gonna actually go into the sunlight so you can see even better the condition of my face. So I have really dark one right here. Definitely, hold on. Oh, maybe that didn't even help. All this, you guys, is sun damage on my face. It could have been because I had kids and I know your face changes a lot, but I'm getting it really bad right here too, which is so embarrassing because, hello, it looks like I have a mustache and I don't. This is a little bit better. So right there, all this is sunspot. Right there, right here. So you guys, this is my very first video. You saw me in the raw, no makeup. You saw the sun damage, what it looks like. So you are going to be my witnesses while I'm on this journey, and I'm going to try it for the very first time, and I want you guys to come with me. Hey Whitney, hey Michelle, say hey if you're watching. Show me some report or some support because this is actually really embarrassing to be this vulnerable in front of the camera. You know what I mean? No makeup on. I'm going to show you guys my skincare stuff. So I have used Rodan products before, back in the day when they created Proactive. I used Proactive. I was an avid Proactive user, and it worked really well for me. I've always dealt with breakouts my whole life. But Proactive is a little bit harsh on your skin, so I stopped using it, and I've been since using Mario Badescu, which I love their products. So I've been told that I should use this Rodan Reverse Regimen for just one time a day for the first week to see how my skin handles it. So I might be using this too, but I love Mario Badescu. They have super good products. But what makes it super easy is that they tell you what steps to be using. So I'm going to be using step number 1 first, if I can find it. And you guys, as usual, I'm running late and my kids are in the car waiting for me, so I can't take too long. But so it's a deep exfoliating wash is step number 1. So I'm literally gonna wash my face. You guys are gonna watch me because I need this to be like super real and authentic so that you don't think I'm trying to like sell you anything, because I'm not a consultant or anything. I know, baby, I'll be on in a second. I told you they were gonna come yell at me. So hold on, I'm also like really big on how things smell. So let me smell. Okay, it smells good. It smells really fresh. So I'm gonna first wet my face and wash. Oops, I guess I should probably use a little bit more. Okay, so I have it in my hand. And it is very, like, you can tell it's like exfoliating. I guess I'll show you guys. I love how this feels. It feels really refreshing. You guys are probably like super entertained by my face washing skills so early in the morning. There's a bag up there, baby. Addison's like, give me all the snacks. Okay, that feels pretty good. Oops. Okay, gotta get my neck too. Sorry, I'm just rinsing it. Feel free to look at my bathroom or my RV. All right, you guys are gonna laugh because today is laundry day, so I don't have any towels. All my towels are dirty and in my car because I'm taking them to go do laundry.
Mommy, can you open? Wait, Mommy, I just show you something.
Hold on, baby. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, but you shouldn't do that because you don't know how to open up the refrigerator.
Mommy, I opened it by myself.
Oh, good job. Okay. Next, step number 2.
Mommy, if it's lunchtime, then we're gonna have food.
Okay. So we're letting it dry. So number 2 is a skin toner.
Huh?
Hey, Sarah, my Rodan and Fields consultant. You're amazing for dropping it off for me this morning because I could not wait to use it. I'm hoping that in a few weeks for my actual birthday, my skin will be like way less full of skin spots. All right. So now I'm gonna use a skin toner. Use a cotton ball. Just pour some on there. I'm so excited. Do you guys deal with sunspots? Like, am I the only one? Please tell me I'm not the only one. And if you do, have you used anything that's worked? Have you ever tried this product before? Did it work for you?
Mommy, I got snacks for all 3 of us.
Good job, baby. She's always worried about her snacks. I'm sure that if you have little ones, you understand what I'm talking about. All the snacks all day long. So I'm just letting it dry. So far, my face feels very clean, refreshed. I'm loving all the smells. You don't need to open that right now. Okay, step number 3. It is the skin lightening treatment. I'm loving the sound of that. Anything lightening sounds great. But my skin feels a little bit... Okay. I think it's dry enough. Hold on, let me read how much I'm supposed to use. A small amount is a thin layer once or twice a day. Okay. Just a small amount. Okay. That's like how much I used. You're making a mess.
I know.
Careful. Okay.
Ew. Look.
Oh yeah. This smells so good. Okay.
Mommy, what is that?
This is my birthday present. When you are old, like mommy,
Get lots of birthday presents?
no, you get skincare for your birthday. All right, so that felt good. The only thing that I'm a little bit worried about is my face gets oily throughout the day. And so with this regimen, I'm a little bit worried it's gonna make my skin oily. So we shall see. I'm gonna be super disappointed if it does.
Put your water in here?
Yeah, baby, that's fine. Okay, step number 4 is going to be a sunscreen, which totally makes sense because we have to.
His water?
Nope. So we have to protect our skin, especially if you're not wanting it to get worse, you know? A little bit of that. Smells good. All right, I feel really good about
Mommy, I'm gonna go
putting
in the
sunscreen
car.
on.
Okay, Mom? I'm gonna go in the car. Okay?
Okay. All right, super stoked that my birthday present is going to help my skin feel super good and healthy, right? So I'm done.
Come on.
So far I feel really good. Like, we'll see. I'll probably be sharing like how my skin does throughout the day as far as like the oiliness goes over on my Instagram, because Instagram is where I'm at most of the time. If you watch your Instagram my Instagram stories, that's where I'm like sharing throughout the day. So I'll let you guys know if my skin gets really oily after using this product. But yeah, super stoked. This is day 1, my first time ever of using this skincare regimen, and I really, really hope that it makes a difference. And I'll be sharing this whole entire journey with you guys. So be on the lookout for my next video when I do this. It'll probably be like in a week because I want to see what my 1-week results will be. And don't worry, I took pictures. Thanks for hanging out with me while I wash my face. I'm gonna go put on makeup now and move on with my day. Hope you have a good day. Bye.